Hello ulit sa inyo guys. Pinutol ko yung video dahil masyadong mahirap pag tuloy-tuloy. So natapos ko naman na yung intro. So dito na tayo sa verse. Pasok na tayo ng verse. Kung naalala yon, yung last note ng intro is ito. 6 at saka 1. Tapos ready mag-hammer tayo yung 4th string at 2nd string. So yan na. After last na note sa intro, kalabitin po ang 4-2 sabay. Hammer. Hammerhan na, ituro ko na yan. Then 6-1, 4-3. Then angat mo yung index finger at middle finger. Then kalabit. 6-2, 4-3. 6, 2, 4, 3. Next natin. B minor. Tignan nyo na lang yung kamay ko. Nakabara lahat yan. Tapos, ang kalapit is 5, 2, 4, 3, 6, 1, 4. Pagdating sa 3, open mo. Next, C. Then kalabitin ang 5, 4, 3. Then angat yung middle ring finger, ilipat sa 6th string ng 3rd fret, then kalabit 6, 2, 4, 3. Next chord is A minor. Kalabit dyan is 5-1 sabay. Then 4-3. 6-2. 4. Then 3 na open. Next, yung ring finger mo naman, ilagay sa 2nd string ng 3rd fret. Ganyan. E minor yan dito pero dahil plucking, yan yung sa kanya. Kalabit. 6, 2, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3. Next na chord is A minor 7. Then kalabit. 5, 2, 4, 3, 6, 2, 6, 2. Pero yung last na 2, may nakapatong na pinky finger sa 2nd string ng 3rd fret. Second yung kinakalabit ulit. A minor 7, dasan kalabit. 5, 2, 4, 3, 6, 2, 6, 2. Next, lipat na liri. Ring finger sa 5th string ng 3rd fret. C yan dyan Pero yung kalabit niya is yung nakapatong isa lang. Ring finger lang sa 5th string ng 3rd fret. Kalabit na 5, 4, 3. Next mo dyan is D. Yung kalabit is 4, 1, 3. 3 ulit, open. Open yan 4, 1, 3, 3. Kung kakantahan yan, hanggang yan sa And his heart was known to none. Sige, ulitin ko yung itinuro ko hanggang sa and his heart was known to none. And only child alone and wild, that God let make a son. His sons were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. Hanggang yan dyan. Tapos balik lang ulit. Balik lang ulit ha. Kanta ko. You left this home and went this lone, a solitary way. And he gave... Pagdating ng A minor, pareho lang pala eh. And he gave to me a gift I know. Dito pala nagkaiba. Yung unang round is 6-2, 6-3, 6-2, 6-1 eh. Dito sa patapos na, and he gave to me a gift I know. Yun. 6-2, 6-1, 6-2, 3 na may nakapatong na index sa second fret. Tapos open. Pag medyo mabilis ng konti, wait. Yun, ganon. Then, A minor. Kalabit dyan is 5, 2, 4, 3. Then D, 4, 1, 3. 3 ulit, open. And he gave to me and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. Yan. Tapos, pasakalye ulit yung 3 beses na G. Yung tinuro ko na. Dahil papasok ka ng papasok ka ng second stanza. So same lang yun tapos papasok ka ng second stanza. Tapos naituro ko na. Then pagkatapos mo ng second stanza, ituturo ko naman yung papasok ng chorus. Pag papasok ka ng chorus, yung dyan is saan na ba yan?